Okay, question 3b. We're given the fact that the teacher increases all the marks by 2, and we want to write down the new value for the mean and standard deviation. So we found the mean for this data set is 6.75 and the standard deviation is 2.22. So if we increase each number in our data set by 2, well then the mean is just going to increase by 2. Because if we increase each number by a constant k, then the mean will increase by that constant k. So our new mean is just going to be 6.75 plus 2, which is 8.75. So an easy way to think about that is, well, if we were working out the mean of this data set, so we'd have like 8 plus 4 plus 7, etc. up to plus 3. Well, then we're going to be dividing that by, we've got 8 data points. And then if we increased each of those numbers by 2, well, then we're going to add on 8 lots of 2. So we'd have to add on 8 times 2, but we've still only got 8 data points, so we divide by 8 still. And well, that 8 would cancel there. And we worked out our mean of all that 8 plus 4 plus 7, etc. plus 3 over 8. Well, that was 6.75, and then we just add on our 8 times 2 over 8, which is 2. So that would be our new mean, so we're just adding 2. Okay, and then for 3b part 2, well, our standard deviation is not actually going to change, because the standard deviation is a measure of the spread of the data, and if for each number in our data set, we add 2, well, the data is not going to get any more spread out. So our standard deviation is the same, 2.22. Okay, and that is question 3b.